Hello my dears, I am Saida. A new, longer video is thanks to these pretty little nails. The silicone molds that are needed for this design. We have only recently added this product to our shop in various versions. Working with these templates takes a bit of practice, a little patience and effort. And to save you the time I needed to figure out how to work with them efficiently, I made this video for you and sincerely hope that you comment and share it in very large numbers. Our high-quality and durable silicone molds come neatly packaged in a very handy box. Included is the template of your choice and a scraper card that is needed to smooth out a gel of your preference. The silicone molds are very soft, and at first glance it is hardly recognizable that it is a silicone template. They are so flat. As a result, the created elements absolutely look beautifully fine despite the silicone effect. I will be working with a variety of 2 colors to show you how to create multicolored designs with these templates. On one hand, it is a very nice pink that I apply thinly over 1/2 of my so-called counting area. And the second color is a delicate purple, which I apply in the same way to the other half of my template. Lightly. I intentionally left these areas blank. It is not necessary to fill them completely because otherwise too much excess would be created when smoothing the colors. With the weak UV light of my lamp, I go over it immediately for only 10 to 15 seconds. This time is absolutely sufficient for the tiny amount of gel to harden. If you discover inconsistencies in the designs, such as small holes, you can improve them after they have hardened. And what should also be noted is that the individual elements of some designs, which are not connected, must be connected before removing them from the template. For this, I apply a very thin layer of my favorite top coat over it and let it harden for a maximum of 5 seconds. If you use a regular lamp, even 2 seconds is not enough, because otherwise the beautiful designs would be stiff, and no one wants that. I was so absolutely happy about this result during the filming because look at what is happening now. Even the designs that I had to connect with the sealer have indeed remained whole and quite flexible. My yield, which honestly only came after a few attempts, until I understood how it works best. To process these, I now need a nail. The fiber base coat was responsible for the optimal adhesion of my modeling. And for quick modeling, I use the Easy Build-Up Milky in this case, because every color simply stands out better on the white nail modeled with it. Simply click on the link in the upper corner of your screen to see how to work optimally with the Easy Build-Up gels. On my nail, I decided to create a beautiful gradient using both colors that I previously used when preparing the designs. If the colors should indeed appear more vibrant, the process is simply repeated in the same way. The last step is sealing, and now I can finally decorate the nail. Attach the designs to the nail like any other overlay. Here, I simply applied a small amount of Quick Finish Glossy with the fine brush where I want my 3D elements, and then cured each element before applying the next one. For safety, I naturally cut off any excess. I definitely added to my design with the dots, and can now enjoy the result. And the nails that are to sparkle are sealed first, and this beautiful glitter from the Shine Glitter collection is sprinkled on top. After curing, I brushed it off and I'm done. I think the effort was worth it for the result, which is really fun. Make sure to get the silicone molds, but be careful. They are addictive because you can create incredibly beautiful things with them. That's it for now. Until next time, my dears, take care.